This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Python 3. Installed Vscode with the Python extension and a project folder. Once done, create and activate a virtual environment so dependencies stay isolated. Next, open the folder in Vscode and let the editor detect the interpreter. If it doesn't, pick it from the bottom right selector. This establishes the runtime and prevents version mismatches while we move to running the backend code. Now you configure execution. Choose the virtualenv interpreter in Vscode, then install project dependencies via pip. Once installed, create a simple launch. JSON for debugging or use the integrated terminal to run your server, Python app. Python manage. Run server or Vscode main, app reload. Make sure environment variables are set in env or in launch configuration. This ensures breakpoints, hot reload, and logs work seamless. To finish, attach the Vscode debugger to your running process or start via the launch profile and set breakpoints where you need to inspect state. Make sure the server binds to the expected port and host. If nothing appears, confirm environment variables and dependency versions. If you hit an error, restart the integrated terminal, clear cached files, and run with verbose logging. One key tip: if a port conflict occurs, change the port or kill the occupying process, then restart the server.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.